And we'll give you just a little paint overview today. So first we're going to start with cutting in. So we'll cut in the bottom. Bring it across. And then kill your line. So you always want to bring it back into the edge. Back into the edge. Again, moving across, cut in your bottom. And you want to overlap just enough where you got a little bit on top and bottom for your next run. I'm by no means a professional painter, but I've worked with a few. And they taught me the tricks of the trade. That's what's good about being able to work with a painter. You can learn all the tricks of the trade. Kill the edge, back into it. There you go. I'm going to continue on.